A good way to stay on top of responding to important emails is to create follow-ups to those emails. To do so in Outlook, on any email that you want to receive a reminder to follow up to a specific email, you can right-click on that email and go down to follow up. And you can select today, tomorrow, or any of the pre-designated response times. Or I can select custom and I can select a start date and a due date and select a reminder. Once I have identified my start date, due date, and my reminder, I can click OK. And so now I see a bell that I will receive a reminder to my follow-up, and it has a flag to indicate that there is a follow-up requested for this email. And so to stay on top of all of my follow-ups, I can, in the view area, go to to-do bar and expand the task list. And over to the right, all of my tasks, the ones I already have, and down here below, I have my quick video follow-up that has been flagged for me to follow up, and I will receive a notification at the time I've designated for me to receive a follow-up. And this is how you can follow up and schedule follow-ups for your important emails to which you need to respond.